I will file sunshine law requests with any government agency when something comes upon the horizon that just doesn't look right. I want to see the papers.
He's a former judge. He's a former lawmaker, and he's an attorney. And for him to come out and say so-and-so is in violation of the FOIA is very disconcerting.
Former Senator Bob Klitzkie, now talk show radio host, has been going after certain documents at the Port Authority of Guam. Specifically, he wants to look at the details of the attorney's fees owed following the dismissal of the case against Port Police Officer Frank San Nicolas.
Why is it that they don't want to come up with these documents? But the real answer is this, Nick. I asked for papers showing that the Port Authority owed $40,000 in attorney's fees. Rory sent a check for $40,000 showing that they had paid $40,000. Not what I asked for.
During the last Port Board meeting, Port Authority General Manager Rory Respicio discussed the issue with board members.
As you know, the Freedom of Information Act does not allow or require us to produce documents that do not exist. And so Mr. Klitzkie has a tendency of emailing everybody and saying that, General Manager, you are in violation of the Freedom of Information Act. And it's very disconcerting.
If you don't have the documents, you say, I don't have the documents. You don't send something else and hope that it'll work. So he was in violation of the law.
Respicio saying his legal counsel is handling the matter.
Basically telling him to cease and desist, and he's not the one that gets to decide who's compliant or who's not.
Port Board member Conchita Taitano questioned what action could be taken.
If it's not going to stop, is there a recourse the port can take if it's proven that this is a form of harassment? The government can't continue to waste its resources on comments that are untrue.
I always told Senator Klitzkie, take me to court. If you think I'm not complying with FOIA, take me to court. Let the judge say that I'm not compliant, but he doesn't get to say that I'm not compliant and using it for his own political agenda.
Using the Sunshine Law to get public records is not harassing anyone. Now, perhaps Conchita Taitano doesn't like it. Perhaps Rory Respicio doesn't like it. But that's a long way from harassment.
Klitzkie not letting the issue go just yet. He's already written up another letter to Respicio alleging there was a violation.